So hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to explain to you how I got this beautiful entry today, and it was amazing, guys. It was such an amazing entry today. Got this entry during the morning hours, East African hours. So it was such an amazing entry. Look at that. Look at that. The first TP was hit around 100 pips, and the second TP was also hit, making 174.46 pips. Oh, wow. I love this strategy. And the strategy I used is simple. The strategy I used is very simple, guys. The strategy is very simple. You're asking what is that strategy? The strategy is the gold 4H formula. Just by mastering the 4-hour flow, you get this type of entries every 4 hours. I'm not talking about every day. I'm talking about every 4-hour candle, guys. Every 4-hour candle. And these are the pricings. So, guys, go there in the description. You'll find my link to my WhatsApp. So you're going there. You go there and click and come here, come and hit me, man, and we can have you registered to the program, and you learn this to make money in every 4-hour candle. I'm talking about every 4-hour candle, guys. So only few seats left. So you better hurry up. You better hurry up before you miss this opportunity. So let me explain how I got this beautiful entry, right? Let me explain how I got this beautiful entry. So it was so simple. It was so simple, guys. Um, the entry started in the 4-hour time frame, and this is how my program works. Okay, in the 4-hour time frame, before I woke up this day, today we had this beautiful volume going bearish. Now we see the last candle before this candle here, before this to 8 a.m. East African time candle here opened. We saw this candle providing us information. And what was that information? The information was simple. First of all, the candle closed by a body. Now, here is the importance of using candlestick anatomy. And there is a video uh, about candlestick anatomy. So go there and watch the video about candlestick anatomy, guys. So the candle closed by body. And of course, this was our structure before, which we were looking for the market to close that structure. At first, yesterday, the market failed. So we were supposed to go up, but the market did not provide us information for us to go up. So this candle came and broke this structure and also broke this previous candles by body. So what does that tell? It tells us the next candle, which is the 4-hour candle, the next 4-hour candle, we will continue bearish. We will continue bearish. Now, after the opening of the candle, I marked out my opening of the candle, and then I waited for the confirmation. And for those who were in my class, they know this confirmation. How do we see these confirmations? So the one one of the confirmation I saw, it was this one, the week to week breakout, meaning the candlestick failure, uh, and that was my confirmation. So after this candle closed, I go all the way to the 1 minute to look for my entry. Now, guys, here is the place where we had our confirmation in the 15 minutes. And after that confirmation, we had this break of structure. And inside that break of structure, we had our inside formation. And guys, there is a video about formations. Okay, go there and watch the video about formations. So there is where I placed my orders. My orders here. I placed my order here, right there. And my first target always is 100 pips. 100 pips. Now, if the market reach 100 pips, I can be sure of closing that entry. It doesn't matter if it goes beyond $100 or whatever. I just close my orders there. But I saw this another opportunity where I saw the market created the another break of structure, leaving again the what? The inside formation, guys. That was our inside formation, another inside formation. So I placed another order there. So I didn't the first entry I closed around that area, and another entry, the stop loss I put the stop loss around there, and the target was this last daily high, daily high of the daily candles. So you know the drill. Those who were in my class, they know the drill. They know the drill. They know how we do it. So that was amazing. But from that position, from that first entry to this take profit, it was 174 pips. But this another entry also provided us 122 pips. Guys, this strategy works. So if you haven't registered to this course, you are missing out. You are missing big time. All right, you're missing big time. So I suggest go on there, register to the program, and learn how to make money on every 4-hour candle, guys. Every 4-hour candle, you are making money. Trust me, you are making money on each 4-hour candle. And guys, for those who are in my WhatsApp channel, and if you are not in my WhatsApp channel, I provided a special knowledge on how to use some website to get fundamental data. So if you're trading gold, there is one website, this World Gold Council. This website is a banger. You can learn a lot, and you can use data from this website to trade gold. So normally people look economic data or fundamental data on this Forex Factory, which is good, but there are other websites which provide relevant informations on the pairs you trade. So if you're trading gold, this is one of the best. So in my WhatsApp channel, I taught how to use and the importance of using that this website. So go there and click to join to my WhatsApp channel, and also click, if you want to register to the course, click my link to my WhatsApp, and DM me there, and we can make this happening. Thank you guys, and share this video to others, and God bless you to infinity, to infinity. Thank you very much.